So we'll simplify this expression first. So in place of 0, it is 1. Whatever we have written here is the cell values, okay? In place of 0, it is 1. In place of 1, it is 1. In place of 4, it is 1. In place of 7, it is 1. In place of 8, then in place of 12 and 15. So we put the entries in place of all these values. Once we put the entries, we need to do a grouping. When you are doing a grouping, very important thing is grouping of 2 ones, 4 and 8 adjacents. And then first pick the option where it is having a only option. Multiple options, don't go for it. So for example, if I go with this one, I have multiple option. I can group with this or I can group with this. So I don't go for this. So I'll go for the only option. For this one, okay, this is the only option. So I'll make this group. So when I make this group, what is the result? Which are all the variables retain constant in these two cells? So here A bar, B bar retains constant. So the answer here is, so A bar, B bar. So A bar, B bar. Then out of these, C bar retains constant, that, so C bar. So I get these three variables constant in these two cells. Then next, if I go with this one or this is the only option. So I'll make these four in one group. So when I make these four in one group, so these variables are changing here. What retains constant here is only these two. So plus C bar, D bar. Next, for this is the only option. So I'll make this as group. So what retains constant in this? So your B retains constant. So it's not changing. So I can write B here. Then out of this, CD remains common there. So it's not changing. So CD. So this is what the result of the first problem. I hope most of you can do this easily. Now we'll move on to the second problem. 0, 1, 4, 5 and all. So write the entries in these locations. 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 13 and 15. Now you need to check with only option. So only option when I check for this one, because we also need to check with the maximum number of ones also. So I can make this as a pair, as a 2 ones. I can make this as a pair. Since I have 1 here, so I can make this, all this 4 in one group. So I'll go for this, okay, this 4 in one group. Because for this one, this is the best option what I have, and this is the only option. So I make this as a group. So what common here? A bar retains common here. So for this, it is A bar. Next, out of this, C bar retains common. So I'll make it C bar. So for this group, A bar and C bar. So now, if I go with this one, already as I told, pair, I can make it like this. Since this one is there, I can make it as a group, or group of 4. So I'll make these all 4 in one group. When I make all these 4 in one group, what retains common there? B retains common. So B. Here D retains common because C is changing. So D. Now I have 1 in this. As we already know, we can fold the map into half, and if this comes overlap here, I can make these two as an adjacents. So horizontally we have checked that. Vertically also it will be true. You can just see the cell values of the first cell, all 4 zeros. The last cell, 1 0 0 0, 1 triple 0. When we compare all 4 zeros with 1 triple 0, only the first bit is changing, 0 to 1, rest 3 retains common. So even if you fold the map into half vertically or horizontally, you get 1 bit difference with the first and the last row, 1 bit difference with the first and the last column. This point is clear for you? you can fold the map into half either horizontally or vertically. So you get the first column, you get 1 bit difference with the last column. First row, 1 bit difference with the last row. So when I fold this map here, these two cells will come adjacent. So I can make these two in one group. So when I make these two in one group, what retains common here is B bar retains common. Then out of this, C bar, D bar. So the result here is B bar, C bar, D bar. This is how you are going to solve the problem. Just modify the question. F of A, B, C, D is equal to summation M of 0, 1, 2, 3. Add on this 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 13 and 15. So you can add the entries in these locations 2 and 3. So now if you want to group it, so for this one, so this is the only option. So I'll make this 4 in one group. For this result already we have written here A bar, C bar. So for this one, this is the only option. So we make this group. So BD. For this one, this is the only option. So B bar, C bar, D bar. So but now once we go for this one, this is the only option. But if I go for this one, I have one more option here. But this was not required because this two possibilities are there for this one. But for this one, this is the only option. So I'll make this as in one group. So if I make this as in one group, what is the result I'm going to get? That is A bar, B bar. So you write down that. You can write down this as a next question. So we solve this problem. So the entries here is in location of 0, location of 2, 8 and 10. So as I already know that, so by folding the map into half, these two will come adjacent with these two. Again by folding the map into half of the vertically, so all these 4 will come in one point. So all these 4 put together can be a single group. So I can make all these 4 in one group. When I make all these 4 in one group, what retains common in all these 4 cells? B bar. So B bar here, because A is changing here. Then out of this, D bar retains common there. So D bar. So the result here is B bar, D bar. So now you try with this problem. So write the entries in these locations. So location 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 13, 14 and 15. So when I make this entry, now I need to group. As I've already told you, don't go for multiple options. Go first for only option. So if I go with this one, this is the only option for this one. So I'll make this group. When I make this group, what is the content I'll get common in this? So A bar retains constant. So A bar. Then out of this, CD. So A bar CD is the answer for this. Next. So I'll go for this one. This is the only option. So I'll make this group. So I'll get A bar B common. So A bar B. Out of this, C bar retains common there. So C bar. Next. I'll go for this one. For this one, this is the only option. So I'll make this group. So when I make this group A common, so A. Then your C bar D. C bar D. Next. When I go for, sorry, when I go for this one, this is the only option. So I'll go with this grouping. So AB, so AB in this, C in this, so ABC. This is what the result I got it for this grouping. So this is what the final expression we get it for this problem. So I don't know how many of you get the same answer. By chance, if you make this like 4 1 in one group, and if you make this group, then that group was not required now, because all these 4 ones has been covered with the different groups. So if I make this one more group, then that group will become a redundant group. So this is the final answer for this problem. So with this, I'll wind up the today's session. Thank you.